Welcome to Ascended Masters, where today's I am doing a food review. I am Brian Robinson. I am a lover of snacks, especially cheese puffs. However, I have an allergy. I have an allergy to potatoes and corns. This makes my love for cheese puffs a bit tricky. Most snacks when I go to the store, they have potatoes and they have corns in them. My wife has been searching. So she's been searching a while for months, and finally the perfect snacks for me. Usually I have to watch my son and my wife eat those delicious cheesy snacks, and I wish I could still eat them. But no, I have my cheese snacks for me. This is I would say it's from VeganRobs cheese puffs. He said it's dairy free, it's GMO verified, also gluten free, and on the back right here, so it says plant based. Let's see. Looks nice. Let's try this one. And this one is a cheese puff. Texture is nice. It tastes cheese. It tastes like cheese. No, that tastes different, but it tastes like normal cheese. It's crispy. Texture is right. Crunchy. It's yummy, babe. Compared to the other cheese puffs that I can eat, this tastes like the original. And like from the start eating one, you can't stop. You can't stop there. It's like you just have to keep on. And you can see they not only have the cheese puff, they also have the beetroot puff that's made with beetroots and made with beetroot. Same thing as the vegan free, it's plant based, GMO, gluten free, and they also have the cauliflower here. It's plant based with probiotics. This one has probiotics in it. Wow! And also gluten free, GMO free. That's the main thing. And I think the main thing about it, no potato or corn for me. And I love it. I mean, so good. Huh? I need to get some more. I'm in love with it. Perfect snack. No corn, no potato, plant based. So I can eat as much as I want to without feeling that I'm eating on empty. This is just my first food review. Like, share and subscribe to Ascended Master for upcoming food review. And remember to click that bell notification so when I make more review, you can see them come.